Good coffee time, my sweet strangers. Welcome to one of my bullet journal setups. As traditionally, I'm reaching for my favorite Flying Tiger bullet journal. It fits my needs, mostly writing and light decorating, this time in a brown fall leather look. My all-time clumsiness helped me a lot with selecting a journal theme as I spilled coffee into my papers at my desk again. Then it was only a question of finding the best quote, and this one was it. I sketched several layouts of this quote on plain paper, and when I was happy with it, I transferred it to my journal. I'm using a black flexible marker for writing. I will put the supplies down in the description box. Then I decided to color the big letters and coffee beans with brown twin markers. The paper wasn't the best for the markers, but I'm not doing any art here, just simply decorating a journal. My next page is dedicated to assessing the past year and ambitions for the new coming year. I think about what I learned that year, what I actually accomplished, and what I just failed at. And then I think about what I want to change in the new year, how I want to feel, what I want to learn. And things I need to let go of, mainly my clothes. This page is just out of habit, because every book needs an index, right? So this is to find where my months start and all the memorable events in my journal. It might be useful when I go looking for something one day. The next page is about my goals, which are divided into 8 specific groups of my interests. I write all the goals I didn't reach last year and add some new ones. The more goals you have, the better, don't you think? Then you have a better chance of actually accomplishing one. My 15 things to do section, on the other hand, is quite contrary. A few years ago, I started with 50. Then I went lower and lower each year, and I'm afraid that I won't be able to fill even 15 this year. Can anyone come up with 15 things to do? Please write me in the comments. Year in Pixels is a handy graph section where you can keep track of the frequency of all kinds of things, using colors, symbols, or letters. You can track your moods, weather, repeating events, maintenance, you name it. And right next to it is my ideal habits section, where I can remind myself to have breakfast each morning, go through my emails in the evening, clean pet filters every week, or wash the bedding every month. Okay, this might open up a long discussion. My next page is my virtual bookshelf. It got considerably smaller over the years because with my super busy life, I only wish I could read a book a month. But I try anyway. I like my fiction, some romance, and some classics too. And since I have room on the page, I added a section for things to check out. When I read in English, I still find words I don't understand here and there. But writing them down makes me remember them better. And when I stumble over some smart or catchy quote, I write it down too. My next favorite page is a guest list, divided into work and personal tasks that I better start addressing, or something starts falling on me. And on the opposite page, I have a lot of space for my wish list. The next spread is for all my crafty-handed ideas and plans. My last setup spread is an overview of the whole year, where I can easily see all the months and the days and plan far ahead. I see all the holidays and weekends. I can write down an appointment coming at the end of the year before I even set up that month's page. If you are following this setup, please beware of your current year and adjust the dates accordingly. And then, just to give it a touch of reality, I decided to make some coffee rings through my journal. So I experimented with first brown ink, dipping my cup in it and testing the color and character of the rings. Then I dissolved an instant coffee in a bit of water and tried that. It looked definitely better, so that's how I finished setting up my bullet journal.